You have a good thing I go.
Yeah.
Continue it.
Yeah.
I make everybody think. You feel me?
Yeah.
Alright. Oliver!
Stand up, man. Yeah.
Oliver, as me say,
Yeah.
me not no money like old chef for that foreign.
Yeah.
No see it? So me I beg you, if you see him down at the North Coast, me that like for go.
Yeah.
You know see it? Yeah. Me have one tear up pants, I want tear up shirt and Kino will no shoes.
Yeah.
Weird.
Yeah.
So just bring me go foreign, you know.
Fish right there. Oh, go on.
A Rasta Jackson. Saturday me you have a dancer.
Yeah.
While the music pause and that we have a dancer.
Of course. Don't worry yourself, man. Yeah.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a lap, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Well, guys, so the place have the Christmas look. We're in the pavilion. I'm going to my barber. But as you can see, the place is having the Christmas look already. Christmas, well, you know, people always tend to decorate early. So, oh, damn. Forgive my rudeness. Well. Welcome to Kina Life in Jamaica. You know, me always have to say well, so. Late. For late. Huh? Tell the one you say I'm on my way. Yeah, call me? Go on. You start trimming already? Cha. Oh, this casino. Where the cash check? Huh? Oh, the winnings. Oh, I have the paper bag, you know, the duffel bag of money I collect. The place are pretty up. Bling up. The place is pretty, you know, pavilion looking Christmas-ish. You know? Pavilion's looking Christmas. Why big time I want to give her the money yet? So who's she? She work? She work? No, she work. Oh. So guys, so basically the barber say I'm running late. So somebody already sitting on the chair after my call and book me an appointment, you know. So you know, yeah, I did take a little time, you know, so not a problem with waiting because I did take a little time. And then, you know, right now in Jamaica, the place get dark early as well too, you know, because you know it's that winter time, you know, Jamaica winter with sun. So yeah, so my New Year style. Yeah, so change your hairstyle. So the style gone, so it's something different now. You know, your thing goes already, it's something different. So I did get in that a little while, so yes guys, remember, please don't forget, you know, to subscribe if you haven't subscribed, you know, like the video if you haven't liked before, you know, remember, stay tuned on this Wow Chef House opening, click the alert, remember once you subscribe, go where the bell is and click alert so you won't miss no notification, right, so you know when time I house opening you won't miss nothing. As I said, cook your rice and peas from early, you know, depends on the time and where you are. So if you cook rice and peas already, you're in Jamaica time and it's your time and you eat your rice and peas, don't start eating till the Sunday morning start. Don't start eat yet. You understand? The best thing is to eat and watch what go on. And also, if you're in England, are you having your fish and chips? Are you having your rice and peas? You know? Are you having your bacon and egg? Having a cup of tea? Remember, don't start till you start to watch. You know, so. Yes, guys. I'm saying thank you guys so much for the support. You know, I cannot stop thanking you so much. And I know you can see this Christmas fever behind me. You know why? This Christmas look behind. You can see it. Place pretty. That's one thing in Jamaica when it comes to Christmas. Anywhere at all in the world, the place always festive with all these bling 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 lights all over the world. So let me go and sit down and wait to when the barber ready. So let's go to the barber shop. Yo, well. Yes guys, so I just finished getting my hair cut, you know, ear shape down, and you know it goes already. Hello? Huh? A vlog? Yeah. You know what the program?
Yeah, watch it.
You did I watch it?
Yeah.
Oh, you see yourself? Yeah, watch that one there.
No. You know what's that one?
You have coconut water in there? Coconut water in there. Well, close up now. Pack up. Well, room. You use any of these soaps? Them good?
Yes.
Show your life.
But I think the one that
It's either you show your lie or you tell it a lie. Them look good. Try them one time but never try it again, so probably never see what happened. Coconut water for hydrate itself, you know it goes early. Well. Blessed love, good morning. Guys, welcome to Kino Life in Jamaica. But today is the day I really prepare myself to be stressed. The long waiting, cause today I'm off, I'm collecting some barrels, so I got 5 barrels to collect, from Miss Hope. From Miss Hope from the UK, sent 5 barrels for the dream team, this shop going, hold on. Alright guys, so as I'm saying, nice down here, very bad. So we have Miss Hope, from the UK, sent 5 barrels, for the dream team. So I don't know how much of you guys have this experience coming here at WAF. I'm telling you, the experience of a lifetime, like literally, especially in these times. When it come on to Christmas, but it's a chance I'm going to take today because of the timing, and it's about time I go on to pick up that barrel. So I'm going to take you through that stress today. So you're going to hear with me right through with that. Trust me, it's not going to be an easy road, but we have to take it on. It's not going to be an easy road, but we have to do it. So we have to give thanks. Guys, let's give thanks and thank Miss Hope. I want to thank Miss Hope so much from the UK, for blessing us with these barrels. So and imagine there is no parking, far off the park, all the way back there. I see I've been walking for like 2 minutes something now, because the video has been rolling for like 2 minutes something. I'm heading to that direction, where you see the blue building is. The logistics facility. So that's where I'm literally going. But the journey starts from down there. Huh? Where you drive? Oh, 5 may I pick up?
5 bars.
Yeah. Alright, cool. So so I'm picking up literally 5 barrels. I'm also gonna need on them transportation to picking up those 5 barrels. So let's see how the days go. Let's see how the day go today. Coming to work. You see the time now. Listen, the time now is like 5 minutes past 9. Right? Check it out. 5 minutes past 9 now. Now you're gonna see what time I'm gonna be leaving. What up? There's a big truck. Just up a truck. Alright. Up the big truck just now. Alright guys, so that give me some room. So as I was saying, it's like what, 6 minutes now past 9, right? And you're gonna see what time I'm gonna leave here today. Let's watch. So whenever you come to work, just prepare, say the day is done. You have to literally know so that day there is just for work, nothing else, nothing else at all. You drive this? What time I come out here if you're there? 1 second. You okay this?
Yeah, man.
Alright.
I'm a fan of yours, Yondi.
Okay, hello.
I can't believe my husband inside if he in the out here and say, oh, Kino, can't believe me if him.
Oh, I'm
Every
done.
day, Kino.
I'm inside.
I'm just in the back of you and say, don't look like Kino.
Mm.
Yeah, we live in England, but we just come down.
Okay. We're liking it so far. But the wharf, the struggle is.
That's why I say I go there.
Listen, so how long do you stay here in the wharf?
About half an hour.
Okay, so you plan to spend the whole day, right?
Yeah.
So that's the mission when you come here.
That's why I hate coming to this place.
Boy, I'm gonna face it today, boy.
Yeah.
I'm gonna face it today. So hopefully when we go inside, you might see me. Because I'm gonna be going inside.
Alright, take care, Kina.
Alright then. So tell him to look out for me. Tell him that Kina's gonna be inside.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah,
Big up, Kina.
Big up, my general. Big up, big up.
you ever see yourself constantly in the pants?
Yeah.
I'm a Jamaican military person.
Veteran.
So I'm still serving my country.
Of
So
course.
big up.
Well done. Thank you for your service, man. Thank you. Alright, so I'm gonna take on my journey now, yeah? Alright then. Alright, so let me get a smooth one of them fruit smoothie first. So psych up the mental state. We're going to take on this journey inside there. You know, so here's where you get your fruit smoothie and the general. Fruit one. What you do down here? Well, you collect something. Give me where you collect now. Oh. Give me where you get to. I'm doing you get something. So they get it, me I come circle, right? Put my name down for mine. Make sure, you know. Morning. I'm good. Kingsley. Top gate.
Come back round.
Why? What experience? If you never experienced it yet, you're gonna know how the thing go. Experiencing WAF, hey, trust me, it is really something else. Yeah, so I prepared for it. My mind is set and ready to take it on. So I got no problem at all. So I'm in the building. In the building. It's a stage one. Stage one. So in here you have Dennis shipping. Now this one, Kingsley shipping. You have Kingsley down here. So guys, so this is stage one. Kingsley. Morning. Yeah. But that's a long. About 20 minutes long, right? Eh? No, 10 o'clock. Well, them take long for call me for once. Really? But I'm supposed to call and say it's trip, it's ready, as it normally go. Money. 19 or? $19,500. Classic, but I can't take that for you. Yeah? Yes, sir. So you can come in and go right to come back. We were told from downstairs if you do not have an appointment and I say you are available, you should not come for the room. You have to call. Huh? Alright. We can peel whatever. Alright guys, so basically you have to go through 3 payments. So this is the first payment. So I'm going to go through the next payment, you know. So this is the first payment, 19,500. I'm collecting 5 barrels. So this is the shipping company fee that you're gonna pay, you know, which is Kingsley Shipping. So I'm gonna take it through the stages. So 19,500 you have to pay for their charge, which is the office charge, to get the bill of lading. So after this now you have 2 more fees to pay. So I'm going to take it through those stages. So I'm waiting for them to put me in the system so I can go downstairs to start the next process, you know, which is the final process, always a longer process. So it's going to work today. Guys, so stay tuned for that. Alright guys, so basically them say you cannot video. Yeah, so you cannot video while they're in here, so. Alright guys, so you know, so I got the bill of lading right here, you know, so we have to big up Kingsley Shipping, guys. So if you're overseas or you're shipping, it's only from the UK alone?
Yeah, UK alone.
UK alone. So you know, Sir Kingsley is here. So from the UK, trust me, ship with Kingsley. So them vouch me and give me the go ahead and say, yeah man, you can go on video, you know, because we see the work that they're doing, you know, I appreciate it. So whenever you send anything through Kingsley for Key Life in Jamaica, remember to mention it, you know, so you can always give a look out, so most of the things can move more smoother. And so we have Sir Kingsley himself, big up himself, Sir Kingsley, so make them know, so anywhere in the UK, they can
ship into the world, yeah?
Yeah, right. One Kingsley Shipping, so see them, Kingsley Shipping, this is Sir Kingsley. You know, so guys, I would say we give a huge thanks to him, you know, because he might vouch for me today, so you can go and do your thing, because we see the good work that you're doing, so I can go in and do what I'm doing, so hopefully it runs smooth today, Kingsley.
Yeah, man.
If you don't have a long day.
Yeah, crowd down there.
Crowd down there, though. So we can't get no special guest treatment.
No, go on down and join the first line first, and then we see what we can do.
See, no links down there.
Yeah, go on and do the first line.
Tell them some I come there.
No, we have a first we can't touch.
Okay. Other one.
So go on downstairs, and then you join the next line and pay our next money,
yeah.
And we find the next one.
Alright, yeah. Alright, cool. Alright then.
Yeah, man. So which day you have to give up? Alright
guys, so here it's a long day today, so I am prepared for the long day today, so let's go up on the next stage. You know, so this one was the easy one because it was go right there pay, and the next one you go pay again, but the final one is where everything get messy. The long way, the crowd, everybody want them Christmas barrel, you know, cause remember now Christmas is here, so everybody want a Christmas barrel. So just imagine that. Everybody want to put on them new clothes, them want to get them Christmas food, you know? Alright guys, imagine what, right? Kingsley, Kingsley is giving me some special treatment. You know, so they're gonna sort it out for me. So them say me can just, you know, can go and walk around, spend some time, you know, go and burn some time and go and wait. They're gonna call me when they're ready. So big up to Kingsley Shipping, guys. I'm saying, if you're in the UK, right, and you're sending anything to Jamaica, remember to link up Kingsley Shipping, you know, because trust me, the treatment that Kingsley is giving me, I have to give him a big shout out because around there is crowded. So I just paid the second fee of 12,500. So the next fee I'm going to pay after now to feed them for the barrel, you know. But trust me, Kingsley is looking after me really, really good, and I really have to give thanks. Pick up yourself, Kingsley, you know. So him have him team going to organize the barrels and everything for me. You know, they're going to check it and everything. So special treatment, big shout out to Kingsley. So I got an hour. He said, oh, give him an hour. So I got an hour to can go do what I'm doing and then come back for the barrels. Right, so I was thinking because the parking out here is hectic. You know, say we go away and come back. I'm not gonna get in the parking, but I must find parking somewhere. So I guess I'll literally can go get something to eat because it's that time now. So I'll probably go get something to eat and then literally just come back after when I'm ready because it's gonna be an hour. So there's no point sitting down like literally for an hour when I know they're not gonna be ready for now, you know. So Kingsley Shipping, guys, make my duty more easier today. So you know I don't have to be stressing. I imagine I was stressing, say look how today is gonna be so hectic and everything, and the Lord, the Creator himself, send someone, you know, to bless me. So it's a good thing while I was there, Kingsley saw me with the camera because apparently you're not supposed to be videoing inside the WAF building. So they saw that on the CCTV while I was at Kingsley, and then called Kingsley, you know, and so Kingsley someone videoing in the building because, you know, he's the one that responds for all up there. And him say, oh, are you a video? I'm say, yeah. I'm say, you're not supposed to, you know. So I'm say, what type of video are you doing? So I explained to him, I'm like, wow, we were so amazed with the work that I'm doing. You know, so that's why I'm getting all of this wonderful treatment because he's amazed with the charity work that I'm doing. So he's going to definitely look out for me for that. And after, we can't stop digging him up same way, you know. So he's going to be watching also because he subscribes straight away because he like the greatness. So I'm saying, if you're shipping, link up Kingsley if you're in the UK. And say yes. We saw it on Kina Life in Jamaica. You understand, yeah. So while I'm here, I'm gonna head up to Living Foods because I got time to spare. Get myself one of them burger and go to Shay's and get a smoothie and then come back here. Big up. Yeah, so that's one of my subscribers as well. Rain come down as well, guys. I need to get out this rain. So you know, for me to walk to go get my car. Guess what? The rain come down. So literally I have to run faster than Usain Bolt to get to my car. Because I park so far down the road from where the building is. So literally I have to run out the rain. And it's not like so I don't like water, but I cannot be bothered getting wet up, you know. Yes, I literally have to run out the water. So I'm in the car now, so I'm gonna go to literally Living Foods to get something to eat. Let's get a burger and then go and give Shay a support, you know, for one of the fruit smoothies. You know, we like to give our fellow Jamaicans support each other. But yes, another thing, guys. Yeah, so guys, so I'm working with this new camera, you know, which is Osmo, you know. So with the Osmo that I'm working with, you know, with the exposure, you know, the exposure that is used, that I'm using, you know, to make the place look more lighter and everything. So it makes me look extra light. So guys, so no, I'm not bleaching. No, I'm not try reaching. So it's just the exposure and the camera lens make me kind of look a bit lighter. You know the thing goes. Because some people say, Keen, that Jamaica, you're getting lighter. Yes, I'm in Jamaica, I'm not getting any lighter, but the camera does make me look lighter. So you know the thing goes already. You know, so me nah bleach out my skin, me nah bleach. Feel look like no browning. No, I'm not bleaching. No, my color on my half is already there, it's already reaching. So I don't have to put on nothing on my skin for be bleaching. So yes guys, no man, I'm not bleaching man, chuck. You know the thing go. No way, in the bleaching, me I bleaching when I go in the cold country, I just adapt to the cold. And the cold just say yes, Kino get lighter. But imagine when I was in the UK, I was so lighter than this, you know. Because you know I've been in the cold for so long. I was literally, you could have seen my vein them looking, well, green. Because them say our blood are green, right? That's what them say, correct me. Them say your blood green, so when it get exposed now, you know, when it get cut, it becomes red. So you could have seen so much green even on my legs. You know, so since I've been back to Jamaica, the sun tanned me, burned me, it run me, it sun me, roast me. So all my complexion does good. But yes guys, so it's the camera, right? It's the camera, so don't worry yourself. No, I'm not touching there. I'm not. So, and then again, no, you see in Jamaica, you know, Jamaica might bright because of the sunlight and everything, but we're not literally getting the actual brightness. You know, so with the camera it kind of enhance everything. So like certain dark places where the camera usually could have pick up, it kind of make that place kind of exposed. So while I'm in front of it and anyone is in front, it's gonna make them look extra light. So yes, so big up to the people them we're black and then look light for my camera, you know. So if you want to look good, just come from Keen Life in Jamaica and you look so good, you know, when this camera touch you and when I edit you, it looks so good. But me nah bleach out my skin, me nah bleach. Feel look like no browning. You see me? I literally got a light complexion, cause you see my mom complexion and my sister, we're not black. You know, we're not black like roast breadfruit, no. You know, we have nothing to do with it, with them touching up the skins, no. So look guys, it's raining, so look. Rain! So you see, I've been driving, I'm still not reached to the building yet where I was. So the building is over there. So yes, big up yourself Kingsley, so I can go get something to eat and come back. I don't have to worry about anyone that call me, Mister, come and check your barrel, and they're gonna do all the checks and everything for me, you know. So see, there's no parking space, so when I come back now, the struggle begins to find a parking space. So guys, so let's go to Living Food to get a burger down my system and then come back. So I'm on lunch break. Yeah, so I'm literally on lunch break while they're working. I'm on my lunch break to be picking up barrels. So look at that, so good, right? Look at this, man. Let's go. I'm here at Living Food. Get a burger and ice. Well, good. Can't get one of them jerk burger. Just the burger one. What are they here?
What's the one you want?
The turmeric bun.
Yeah, I'll be in 32.
Yeah, I got have it. Alright guys, I'm at Living Food, you know, so I'm just gonna get one of those black beans burger. Yeah, so I'll get a black beans burger, and then after now I'll get to Shay's, you know, to get one of those juice and then berries, and then head back down to the wharf, because they say an hour, and I know, like, obviously it probably take more than an hour. So at least I come and spend this time and do this, and then just go back down there and just go and wait, you know, to whenever they're ready. So at least we now have to bear the stress and the crowd and the animosity to get through down there. So feed right, eat right. I'm now at Living Food, you know, healthy life. So yeah, so that is how it is, guys. That's how it is. So, apparently Kerry's not here today, you know, but her son is here. So I'm going to share the blessings with here and over by Shay's, you know. So we'll just get the burger here and get the berries smoothie over there, the berry splash, all the berries, yeah, and call it a day. So yeah, and also, you know, to one of also my subscribers then that came here as well to at Living Foods, you know, I've also thank you as well to come try out Living Foods, you know, and I hope you like it. I hope you enjoy the healthy life of trying new stuff, you know. So big up to you, kudos to you, you know, that came here to Living Food, because they're here, but I wasn't here when they called and said, Keenan, I'm at Living Foods, you know, but I couldn't get to make it to see them, you know. So big up yourself and thank you so much to come and try out at Living Foods, you know. So yeah, man, it's greatness, you know. I like it when you guys support each other, you know, because that's how we can make our economy much better. And support each other, that's how it grows, you know. We have to support each other to grow, you know, grow one another, help each other. That's how we do it, you know. That's what this program is about, helping out each other, positivity, you know. That's how it is, so helping out each other grow. So guys, so please stop a moment, pause the video, you know, and like the video, you know. If you haven't liked it, you know, please like the video, you know. If you like the program and like what I'm doing, remember always to give the video a like whenever you're watching, you know. So I know most time you guys probably forget to like the video, so please take a moment, like the video, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, tell a friend if you haven't tell a friend, you know, and share. So go ahead and like it, please. So if you like what I'm doing, so we can continue with this great work. So the more the video likes, the more algorithm will recognize, you know. So the more when you get beat into the algorithm, that means you guys won't miss anything. So please keep it positive, give me the like, thumbs up. I'm waiting 1 second. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Have you liked the video yet? Thank you so much for doing so. Thank you so much for liking Kino Life in Jamaica. You just subscribed. Thank you also to subscribing to Kino Life in Jamaica. Are you a returning subscriber? Thank you to welcome back to Kino's World. Welcome, welcome. I don't know if you did fly out. You see me? Are you the hide out? Are you shy out? Anywhere you go and you come back, welcome. You return like the Jedi. So welcome, welcome, welcome. Let's give you a hug. Welcome back. Welcome back and not go nowhere. Turn away the next time. So when you're going up, nobody go away. Stay away there. Sure. Where you going for? You should stay. You won't miss nothing. So yes guys, I'm gonna have a burger, I'm waiting on it, and then go to Shay's, then back to our get the barrel, get the shipment. So we're gonna celebrate. So. Oh, one of my subscribers came here. One of my subscribers. Big.
Subscriber, yeah.
Oh, so bad.
She was all the way from California. Yeah.
California.
Yeah.
Wow. Big up yourself, my subscriber, all the way from California that came here to live in food, you know, sorry. I never get to see you.
Annie. Shout out Annie.
She name Annie?
Yeah.
Alright, Annie, big up yourself, Annie. Anywhere you are watching from right now, Annie, big up yourself. No, I'm not living food, I'm not here too bad, but thank you so much for passing through at Living Foods, you know, where they living right, there you eat right, you know, live life. So big up yourself, Annie, you know, to supporting Living Foods. So here I go, black beans burger, you know, all the beans that make this. The reason why you see the bun is so yellow is because the bun is made from turmeric. So this is a turmeric bun in the jerk black beans burger. Yeah, so it's not jerk chicken. Yeah, no jerk chicken in this. Straight black beans. So you know what? I don't want you guys to be watching and your mouth is going to run water. Because a lot of you guys say, Kino, while you're eating, my mouth is running water. So I don't want you to be watching the movie and like, yeah, while I'm biting, you're biting too. Stop it. Behave yourself. So, stay tuned. I will get back to you.
What's in?
Finish. Alright guys, so let's go hit the road. No. Alright then, take care. Finish, finish. So guys, I'm gonna go to Shay and give them a support. You know, when I get in one of those very smoothie. So here is Shay. This is Shay's wellness spot. Ah, bless her. What?
Hi, stranger.
Stranger?
Yes.
So wait, I become a stranger already?
Yes, it's been a while.
What do you call a while? 1 month, 2 months?
I haven't seen a video.
You don't see it?
No.
You're missing out.
No, I went on the news, but it was upstairs getting well.
So the boss say him see it. Him tell me say him get phone calls of people say them see it and everything. Hello? Yeah. You see it? Ah, you see it? Say she see it and you don't see it. Of course. So you see? You're behind time. Hello Terry, come here Terry. Little and neat Terry. Nice meeting you. So this is Terry. Okay, so Terry, so you saw the video, right?
Yeah, I glimpsed it.
You glimpsed it? Oh, you never watch it. So while you glimpsed it, did you subscribe, Terry?
It wasn't my phone.
So why you never get your phone, Terry? And
Watch
watch a
the video, Terry.
video, Terry. Terry, you have to get your phone. Get your phone, Terry. And you miss. You can't believe, say.
I went on it because when I saw it, I went on it, but I didn't see the video. I saw other videos.
No, cause the night when I sent the message and tell us that it's gonna be out, it was out in the afternoon that day.
Oh.
So if you go on your phone, let me show you which one is it. Go on your phone, let me show you which one. It says Kino Life in Jamaica, Kino. See, come up.
Oh, it's my type in Kino, come on.
Yeah. So let me see if I remember which one. Let me show you. Let me show you which one. You probably look feet at the top, but here what? But show me the added to what I've got already. You know, so it's this one.
Oh. You know, so much I watch the video, but I never finish them.
So it's almost down to the end, that's why. But that was my last activity of the day.
Yeah.
Hmm?
You need to.
Yes, me too.
Do one from scratch because we did at the last of the video.
Yeah, I know. It's because them catch me at the time when I was closing off. So at least I added. But him see it. Oh, you see how I laugh now. Oh. So yes guys, I'm back here at the Miss Shay's wellness spot. You know, we know everything well spot. So right now I want that the one we came together there, wait name again?
It's a berry blast.
Berry blast, yes. I'm going back for the berry blast. You're looking at yourself? Don't be shy. So yes guys, so over here you can get you can get your wraps as well too if you like sweet things. You have your sweet tooth here and everything. You can get sandwiches, you know, served with tea, hot beverages, food cup with the yogurt. You can get your breakfast. With your breakfast you can get your which is a green leaf tea, you name it, anything you want to get. You can get your bagel, all different type of stuff you can get, guys. Yeah, so you can get anything you want here. Alright, and stop whisper to each other. So you ready for fix me now, miss?
Give me a fruit one, you can try something different.
What you make me try? Tell me what you gonna make me try.
Fruit punch.
Fruit punch? What kind of fruit punch?
It's peach, mango, pineapple, strawberries.
Peach, mango, pineapple, strawberries. When you keep on watch people follow you?
Yeah, I mean, that was people from me, I don't accept them.
See them see up on the
I accept
program.
them for sure. I never accept them.
No, you have to accept them because I key no followers them. Yeah, see you have to follow them now. So this is a Shay's world. But more on the berries though.
You like the berries?
Yeah.
But I told you.
Let me get the berries. Next time I try the fruit punch. Here, little miss. Me get the berry blast. Yeah, Shay's Wellness Instagram. Alright then. Make it tell her. Make sure you tell. And yeah, so the officer them walking, right? Yes, a good timing. So she say must give the Shay's World Instagram and make sure to look after me and everything, you know. Yes guys, so I just spoke to Shay herself, you know, because, you know, she's in the UK as well. Yeah, so Shay is in the UK. So she just spotted me on her camera, she called and I figured, I'm bigging up enough respect, you know, the gratitude that she sent out, you know, so. Yes guys, but guess what, I'm going to go back for the same berry blast. I don't know, I like that one. Maybe I will try something next time, you know. They was telling me about the fruit punch, you know, so tell them about the Shay's Instagram then.
So it's Shay's Wellness Spot on Instagram.
Says Shay's Wellness
Spot
on Instagram. So it's the same spelling as
The same thing.
the same thing as that.
Of the
Right?
logo. Yeah. So today I'm gonna give you a fruit punch, which is peach, mango, strawberry, pineapple.
Okay. Alright, so at least I'll try that. I'll try something different then, right? So guys, I was gonna do the berry blast, so I'm gonna leave the berry blast for you next time then. So I will try.
So Terrian, come Terrian.
Come here, Terrian.
Come here, Terrian. Come here, Terrian. Give me a second.
Yes, guys, I'm gonna say the place is really, really nice. You mean, you can come and check it out, you know, at Shay's World and everything. You don't know, say, the peace officer, them come up, them smoothie, you know, them healthy lifestyle. Keep it healthy while them on the road, protecting and serving. Protect and serve. So you have to keep healthy to stay serving, right? So guys, let me give you show you what outside is like. Let me show you the outside, you know. Well, they must celebrate Christmas, so you know, a Christmas season. So this is what it's like outside, you know. Also, you can sit down if you want, but there's shades here at Lane Plaza. Shop number, how much again? So this is the menu board. You know, your share wellness spot. You know, you have breakfast sandwich, egg, you get turkey, you get the tuna, you get the bagel with the egg and tuna. You name it, you have lunch, you have pasta, tuna, chicken and shrimp. You know, so anything you want, you can get. So if you want a special order, you can also get it also.
Shrimp pasta, tuna pasta, shrimp wrap, tuna wrap.
Christmas is here. Fruit punch.
Normally we have the bigger straws, but we're also.
Okay. Say last time you bored for me, now you can't board like that.
It can still.
Yeah? Run out of the bigger one. Oh, you know. So this is the fruit punch.
It's peach, mango, strawberry, and pineapple.
Okay, so let me try. Well, I'm gonna find out. Come here. She's asking what make it.
You want me to come?
So it's peach, mango, strawberry, and pineapple. Repeat. Oh, you're diabetic? We have green juice as well. We have carrot juice.
Without sugar?
Yeah, without sugar. But not, normally our smoothies aren't made with sugar. We either use honey or agave, which is a natural sweetener.
Carrot.
Want a carrot juice?
She want a carrot.
So carrot here, we make a carrot juice for you with Japanese.
Okay.
The best of the best Tyrian.
So the best of the best. Alright guys, so the fruit punch does taste good. So them are go on with them thing. You know, so you know the thing got 10 out of 10. Yes. So it's accurate. So
she doesn't mix up on her smoothies. So she knows everything, the exact measurement.
you know what I mean? Terry mean because one to the leftovers, you could top up.
Exact. The measurement has to be exact.
Exact.
Add to the cup to seal because there's the machine, which is the sealer machine. So you add to the cup to seal, it has to be.
Yeah. Oh. I mean Terry. She lick about your talawa. Lick Miss Terry. Yeah, yes guys, so as we said, this one it really tastes good as well. The smoothie them are going with thing, you know, so we have to give them props, you know. 10 out of 10 for the smoothies then. You know, it's the second one I try, so I have to try it with the berries, the berry blast, or I can have the fruit punch, you know, which is them I take live. So I'm gonna feel nice right now. I'm gonna head back down to Wharf, you know, to pick up these berries. Big up yourself, Shay. You know, I know you're watching right now. So you come tell them the location.
So the location is shop number 10, South Avenue, Lane Plaza, South 2 to 4 South Avenue, right? Here. So it's shop number 10, Lane Plaza, where Rapid True Valley is. Across from Southdale.
Alright guys, so she said shop number 10, Lane Plaza. But generally, you know it too? You know the address fully? Okay, so that's the correct address guys. You know shop number 10, Lane Plaza. So I want to come inside. Oh, you're going to location Arbor Street. Oh, so they have more than one. So if you want to go Arbor Street, yeah, but
7 Arbor Street.
167 Arbor Street.
Beside Imperial Optical, across from Berlin. Yeah.
So anywhere your locations, if you want to come here at Lane Plaza,
Or if you don't tell me you're hot and want a smoothie, the Arbor Street is the place to be.
yes. So trust me, anywhere you just find it. You know, especially when the weather is so warm and you want something chilly. This is it. You know, so big up yourself, share. You know, you're going to think big up, big up, big up, big up.
Instagram now.
YouTube. It's YouTube. So check out the Instagram as well too. Share Wellness as well too on Instagram. Share Wellness says at Share Wellness Spot. Right? So it's Share Wellness Spot on Instagram, right?
Yes.
Yes, so it's Share Wellness Spot on Instagram, so you can go and check that out. You know, go and follow them and keep up with what they're doing. And don't just look, come and check it out. You know, don't be a looker, come and try. You know, no taste and buy though, just come and buy. Wow, nice woman in our line. Your first time here?
Yeah.
Okay, you're gonna.
Her friend is not the first time she came here.
Okay, so your friend bring you.
Yeah. I was
Okay.
coming and someone come and say.
Oh, alright. So how much is that now?
So the smoothie is 800.
Oh, so you come over to the cashier side, right?
Yes.
Over here, everything get done.
So you can either pay with card or cash.
Cash. How for keys?
It's key for the fridge.
Okay. How much?
800.
Okay. There you go.
With your receipt.
Share your brand. Turn up. Go there, share. Go there. Thank you very much. So, I'll catch you again.
These are, we have coconut bread, walnut rum bread. These are biscuits, cookies, and coconut macarons.
You guys make them as well? Okay, well.
Except the biscuits.
Okay, we're not going to peel things, man. So they make birthday cake and them stuff?
That you want, yeah, if you want.
Okay. Alright then, Terry. Alright then. Annabelle.
Yes.
No, I said already, I said Anna Blast. That's how we call the smoothie last time.
Oh, Anna Blast, okay.
So don't forget it. Alright, so take care, yeah? So, until next time. Alright, then. Alright, yeah, woman. Alright, bye. See, say thank you, know.
Thanks.
Come me gonna lock it back, you see? Alright guys, so yes man, so that is it for me, for for my morning feature for my belly. So everything is steady. So I'm gonna head down to the wharf now. I'm gonna wait for the guys them to call me and say they're ready. So this is nice for me right now. Good. So big up to all my subscribers. Wait, have you liked the video yet? Remember, don't just be watching, you have to also be liking. So imagine, if you're a watcher, please be a liker. If you like the program, it's understandable if you don't like it. We still love your same way. But if you like the program, wait a moment, stop, go and like the video. Give it a beat on the world. Some man leave them car door open. So yes guys, let's go on the journey. So basically, the guy phoned me, you know, from Kingsley Shipping, and said I can come now to listen out for my name because they already checked the barrel. So I can come and listen out for my name for me to go and pay for the barrels next. The next fee is going to be for me to pay for the barrel because them already check it. So it's 5 barrels, I know 6.5 for a barrel. So that's the next fee I'm going to pay. And then I'll be out of here. So it takes a little bit of time because he said the place is a bit crowded. So I just can't imagine how crowded the place is. So I'm heading in the building now. You know, so I will see. Stay tuned for this. It's a busy down here. So busy. Look at this line. So this line is for cars to go in and pick up their barrels. You know? So I'm telling you, the time is now, wow. Yes, sir. So remember the last time I gave you guys from 5 minutes past 9. So the time is now 6 minutes to 2. You know, so it's, now go back inside. So the time is 6 minutes to 2 now. So hey, probably leave here about 5 o'clock. So you see what time I get here? Early. So no matter what you come here when you come on to this time, trust me, you ain't leaving. You're gonna be down here rotten. So 5 minutes to 2 now. Been here and been down here from 5 minutes past 9. So so I'm back now where the building is. As you can see, so many cars. So what about your people? Didn't get through yet? No, I don't know. So how far them reach? No, I can't hear when I'm get an express. I'm gonna get through yet. Come wait there. I'm blue phone, you see. Get at the release farm. No. So I'm not going now for go pay.
Party and things. What a couple times
now. Not yet. No, I'm having number already. Alright. Alright, so I'm waiting for my name to be called. Alright guys, so this is the final payment, you know, as you can see, 32,500, you know, after everything, cause 6.5 a barrel, you know, plus the taxes and whatever they take. So yeah, so you have to done 3 payments, you know, day in life at WAF. So that's how it is. So once I pay this now, I get the gate pass. I need to go get a truck now, you know, pay for this to take this back to Trenchtown. And then I'll be out of here. So that's the 3 payment. The second payment was 12,500 and one was 19,500, as you could see. So, well, struggle is real. Alright guys, so finally get my gate pass now. So it's just for me to collect my barrels and then just move. So we got a truck here already. So they're gonna be ready to move. So waiting on the barrels and then we'll take ourselves. You know, so over there is where they're gonna pick up the barrels.
Yo.
The journey, my general. The journey. So waiting on the driver gonna scan the gate pass, and then we'll hand it to them. Then receive the barrel and then head into Trenchtown, you know. So you can check out the YouTube channel named Kino Life in Jamaica. But this is not the driver, but he's a driver also. You know, he's a man where when you come down here, you know, you want a vehicle, you drive truck, van. So whenever you come over, you know, say you want it. You can
Logistic transport service.
Okay, so he definitely work for the logistic transport service. You know, so once you ask him, not because I'm black, you can ask for blacks. What's your name? Mattis. So you can ask him Mattis. So when the next my driver come and them and introduce you to him, you know, so them give me a great deal. You know, that's what them said, you know, so I have to work with what them said. Anyway, thing goes already, we can't complain. So 5 barrels, so a truck we are going on. You know, but my vehicle park up here, so you know, so one time I go outside, I'm going to go for your vehicle. I'll drive on.
Where's the YouTube channel name?
Kino Life in Jamaica. Driver, alright. Alright, so guys, see the driver, yeah?
No, I'm not on YouTube.
Wait do, TikTok, wait do.
TikTok, what I don't meet up on TikTok.
I know you do on TikTok.
You try to work with me, though?
Yeah.
Just post them people, I'm going to post myself.
Okay.
Yeah, you see me? I'm about 30,000 followers and things, but I know me. The page viral, you know.
Okay, but you just do the great work.
Yeah, you see?
So guys, so this man also do charity as well too, you know, but as them say, him do the work. He's
not show his face.
He's not showing his face, but he put in the work. So he's the one gonna take him to Trenchtown now with all of the bars and everything now, you know, so that's a big one to see. So take a break TikTok so them can go and check it out.
Yeah, man, advance 3782, you see me?
Yeah. And do
charity work. If a barrel we in it, cool barrel and box of off.
Yeah.
So generally Matty same way.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
I would just give Mattis a big over as well too.
Yeah, so you come and off and look for man. Most truck, any transport.
Logistic transport services, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Big up yourself, Joe.
Big up.
Alright, and so see them, man. So I'll give thanks, man. Say him do great work as well too. So great mind think alike. So the frequency
Big up.
up there we have right now. So say the truck here load, we go load. So we have to go wait when the name call, then we can go and pick the barrels up. Yeah, sir. Yeah. Charity. Quick and fast. That's very good. So the bars them is set from Miss Hope. You know, we give thanks, guys. I'm say you cannot start thank Miss Hope. You know, we thank you so much. You know, for these barrels. You know, for the team. You know, thank you so much. So the rain is coming down, so I'm gonna get out of the rain, get the car, and then head in Trench Town. You know, in Trench Town. See, you have some dollars on the ground here.
Yeah.
Well, whenever you come water, if you tell yourself, say, yo, you're taking the whole day. You know what I'm
Time
saying?
and money is spent out.
Yeah, so the time now is 4:35. So I've been here from 9:05 and now it's 4:35. So it's almost a 9 to 5 job.
Never tell a lie.
Never tell a lie. It's almost at 9 to 5. That.
Trench Town. I think Almina go put more, you know. Yeah, she go put more. Street side, are we base? Inside the line, yeah? 12 o'clock tonight, you know.
12 o'clock tonight.
Yeah, man, no joke. 12 tonight.
And they said stop.
I want to just start it up with. Last night, I'm 11 o'clock, you know. I have more crowd now.
Yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna get my vehicle now and then head out. So we'll get everything started, we'll get the barrels as the kids see. So he's waiting on me on the side road. So once I get my vehicle, signal him, and then now we're heading to Trench now. That's where we're going, right? Stay. Oh, I'm play music. Oh.
Yes!
Ah.
Twice.
And light works. Chunks, wake up. Yeah. And, oh, this. Prefect there. Oh, go on.
Yeah, man.
Well, I'm going to make space in there first.
Alright, I'm going to make space here.
Make local space. Kino life in Jamaica. Yeah, man. How can I lift up this lady? And put it up there, sir.
Then put it on top of it.
Put it up there, sir.
Slide it. Spin the thing, I'll catch them.
Yeah.
Oh. So you can put barrel from barrel?
No, man, I box man put this on.
Hold that. You can hold it in one.
Yeah. We like
them want to light, you know.
Light, so light, but not so
them not for that. But all them are for that. Deal with them. The rain kind of slow up today. I want to come from early and open up everything. They made a dream team barrel, you know, from Miss Hope. You know, Miss Hope from the UK.
Oliver, you know.
Yeah.
Hold the camera key, you know.
Yeah.
Oliver, listen to me. And listen to me keenly. I want to go to Florida like, whoa, chef. Understand me? Yeah, my crocus bag, not suitcase. Yeah, you know, see it. Seriously, you know.
There, man, everything good.
Buck you up again.
Which is right.
Yeah. But
Yeah.
please, man, can I talk to you 5 minutes personally? You know?
Yeah.
When you can pause it, you pause it.
Alright.
Alright?
Alright, so we're getting this barrel from Miss Hope from the UK. You know, sending the dream team barrels.
UK.
Dream team Christmas come. But now I put everything around there because I'm going to end up.
No more left, man.
A 5 of them, how much are they?
5 of them.
Yeah, 5 of them. And turn.
After we scary.
Oh.
Yeah, I beg you, I want anything.
Alright, so I'm gonna find a day and come run through them.
Queen Marie, everything there. I'm gonna come and pick the thing now.
We don't know where in them. When everything come out of them, you know. What?
For 40.
Everything will stack up. I'll pop.
Deal back in there, no? Deal back with the you like it, deal back in
Yeah.
here. I hear that.
And I hear. And I tread.
Here.
Yeah. Brazil wool here. Brazil here.
Brazilian here.
It's like one basket. It was a basket. Miss Hope, you know, we have to give thanks to Miss Hope.
Yeah, Miss Hope.
From the UK.
Miss Hope from the UK.
thanks, blessing, one love.
Art, you know, from my art.
Yeah.
One love, you know, blessed love, so.
Every time.
Yeah.
Every time.
Every time.
Doing things every time.
Yeah.
Love us every time.
Blessed Miss Hope, you know.
Love every time.
Love every
Yeah.
time.
Yeah.
Yes, Miss Hope. Give thanks and praise, man. Blessings.
Yes, sir.
Love it, man.
You know,
Blessing for you them every time. It's like Christmas I come.
yeah.
We have all the car for your Christmas, you know.
Yeah, you get a look of something for your Christmas. You know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Blessings, man.
It's hope, you know, we give thanks to her.
Give thanks and praise, man. More blessing come here way again, said we to man. That's why can make this happen for the dream team, man.
See, we are not doing it, come there,
Give thanks and more love.
blessing.
Barney Bob.
Yeah. More blessing, Miss Hope. Give thanks, blessing coming with the rain too,
Yeah.
And see it come same time.
Yeah.
Fall. Pick up yourself, Miss Hope, man. More happiness. Like me, food basket will never empty.
Yeah.
I need the sun, the moon, and the stars.
Oh. Resort baby is here. No, sorry, not Resort baby, Resort granny. She turned grandma now, you know. Yeah, man, so let's get some barley. We get 5 barley for Miss Hope from the UK.
Miss Hope from the UK, big up yourself and bless up. Your food basket never run dry. Big up yourself and bless up. Bless up the whole of your family and big up again.
Yeah, man, so we give thanks to Miss Hope to see them 5 barrels. See the 5 barrels, so we're gonna choose a day and just take out everything and sort out what we sort out, you know. So I don't know, so the World Chef house opening is this weekend, you know, so this Sunday, remember, stay tuned for the World Chef house opening this Sunday, you know, guys. So remember, stay tuned for that one day. Yeah, the World Chef house opening. So remember, you know, you get your coffee, you get your toast bread. If a rice and peas you eat, anything where you eat, you know, if you eat your bacon, you know, your fish and chips, you know, anywhere you are. If you're eating Burger King, McDonald's, KFC, this Sunday Martini, World Chef house opening. Tell them no, man.
Yes, man.
World Chef house opening.
I say, Matthew, say chicken. They do the background uptown and chicken. Because we start by chicken.
Yes.
I will like. World Chef not really like cuisine, you know.
Yeah, man.
I say, what like background, no?
Background, uptown.
I want to go on after.
A chicken will start on it. Yeah, we start
Saturday.
You want to go on.
But I got show Sunday.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sunday I'm going to get a cup of tea and watch it.
Yeah. Yeah, man. So that is it. Storeroom looking stack. What is gonna be empty when everything start empty out, you know? You know, these are blow chicken batty out the door.
Yes, man.
Yes, man.
Yeah, man. So if I lock up the chicken batty, them like Cobra right now. Only one day out there right now, that t-shirt, you know.
My name
Latisha, oh, Chef, there's a call and you understand. Latisha.
Man, I love your name, man. I love your name,
Oh, the one that out the door. Yeah. Man,
We'll pass through Saturday.
for the house what means?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, you must
That's
roll
it.
through, man.
But when it come night, not even night, she hit the traffic.
Oh, got traffic bad
That's why
here,
she
man.
don't drive down here.
Traffic is really bad.
I love the traffic, so
Yes, traffic bad.
I hear she, I push her head and I say, hey, you can't drive!
She do the cussing. She do the cussing.
So what's a drink, man? Kino?
Cooler, man.
Just keep working on.
Yeah, man.
Don't make negativity
Stop me.
stop you. You have a good thing I go.
Yeah.
Continue it.
Yeah,
See
yeah,
it. I make everybody see. You feel me?
Yeah.
All right. Oliver.
Stand up, man. Yeah.
Oliver, as me say.
Yeah.
Me nah no money like wow chef for go foreign.
Yeah.
No see it. So me I beg you. If you see him down at the North Coast, me that like for go.
Yeah.
You know see it? Yeah. Me have one tear up pants, I want tear up shirt and key no shoes.
Yeah.
Weird.
Yeah.
So just bring me go foreign, you know.
Yeah.
No me can want to go foreign like him.
Yeah, like wow chef.
And wow chef. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So Oliver and Caller.
Yeah.
You're a beautiful lady.
Yeah. Yeah, man. So
thank you, you know. But sorry, I get to see the kids them. Yeah, man. They might do good in the school. That's what I want here. Dennis, don't feel for me again. And Rasta Jackson, Saturday me you're going to have a dancer.
Yeah. Yeah.
Kino, you have to go wait me in the what you call it for the sound no play the,
Yeah.
the music now. Well, the music it pause and that we are going to dance.
Of course. Don't worry yourself, man. Yeah. Alright, my general. Yeah. I mean, sure what go on. Yes, guys, so do the thing what I'm say. Night is here, night fall. So yeah, man, so we're gonna get things started out. So you know, so Saturday, you know, you're gonna be seeing the video on Sunday, you know. So Saturday is worship also means, so you know, so when we go home at the night and edit and edit the video for you guys for Sunday. Your Sunday martini with your rice and peas and tea, you know, or your carrot juice blend, anything we have. Sunday to sit and relax and watch that one. Whoa! Yeah. This will be the wow opening. That is it. We are far. And don't you have much less forget. Grand. Worship granddad. Yeah. Worship granddaughter. Worship granddaughter that. What a day. Worship when you got turn grand, when you how much? 85. Is it gonna be grandfather at age 85?
Look, watch on the road.
Raining day in Trenchtown. Rain a drop. Now it stopped.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.